When you are running a copper cleaning company, so the first thing you have in your mind is how to get a customer and how you can go and get crazy leads and appointments for a carpet cleaning company. So you have multiple things in your mind like SEO, Google Ads, Yelp, Google listings, Google My Business, Google Guarantee, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, but you are always looking for the cheapest method to get carpet cleaning leads for your business. So see, when it's about carpet cleaning leads, the things are really simple. You have to decide it first. SEO is just like putting a money into dustbin when it comes to carpet cleaning, because whoever run ads on Google is gonna come first and you're gonna come afterwards. Like for example, out of 10 customers, only nine only one will come to you and nine will go to your competitors, because those competitors are having a website above you because they're running ads on Google. So there's no point of doing SEO when you're doing carpet cleaning. You should be focusing on two things. The first one is Facebook ads, and the second is Google ads. If you have a higher budget, if you have a lot of money to bleed, then Google. If you have little money to put in, go with Facebook. But if you have a good budget and you're looking for more volume, go with Facebook, because let me tell you, right now, cost per lead on Facebook is like 10 to 15 bucks for carpet cleaning maximum. And for Google, the minimum cost per lead is like 40 bucks. Yeah, it's very expensive in Google when you do carpet cleaning leads. So you should be having this first thing clear in your mind, that how you can get crazy leads and appointments for your carpet cleaning company. So basically, we are running ads for our clients for carpet cleaning businesses, and we are getting crazy leads and appointments for them with our strategies for carpet cleaning. We are right now we are using Facebook ads. We are not doing Google ads, because in Google ads, it eats a lot of budget and client never gets volume. So that's actually what happens usually. Okay, so if you are not right now generating Facebook leads through Facebook, man, you're gonna miss out a lot. So you can see like 162 leads generated for $3.91, 245 leads generated for $22.13. Here it was a bit higher for one day, so that's why it's $22. But it was like 13, 14-ish dollars. Okay, it wasn't more than that. So what we are doing is right now that we are running Facebook ads and targeting the homeowners and the tenants who are looking for carpet cleaning. Like for example, you are in Los Angeles, California, or Las Vegas, California. Okay, so what we do is this example. What we do is that we target the homeowners who are looking for carpet cleaning in that particular area, and we run ads for you. We show them your ad and we get their details, which makes them pre-qualify. See, when you run ads, so just name and number is not necessary, because everyone is going to put their name and number and you're going to see a very 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 lower cost per lead. But these type of customers are really not interested in your services usually. So instead, what we are doing is that we run ads for you and we target those people, and we get the information is name, number, a name, phone number, email, zip code, street address for the contact, and for their details is how many rooms do they have, what is the best time to call them, and if they are looking for example, pressure wash or sofa cleaning. If you do that, because we have our clients who are doing carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, floor cleaning, pressure washing over the home, over the garage. So I mean, they sell a single leaf for like $1,000, $1,500, $2,000. So they have like 95% profit. So this how they are making most of each lead. Yeah, they are making heck a lot of the single lead, and that is helping them to generate more ROI in the end of the day. So when we do this, of course, the lead is like $3, $5, $10, $15. But if we just get the name number, so the lead is like $1, $1, $2, $3 maximum. Okay, but those leads are usually not working out. So the point here of the method I shared is like if you're doing it by yourself, do it. You will see a good results that take their name, number, email, zip code, and street address, and ask them how many rooms do they have, and if they're looking for sofa cleaning and pressure wash, if you do, because it's optional. And which is really important is what is the best time to call them, because when you ask these questions, especially what is the best time to call them and how many rooms do they have, so these questions actually make them pre-qualified. They will tell you, because we are getting such responses like, I have like 5 rooms, 1 staircase, 6 rooms, 2 staircase. One was like 15 rooms. He got a huge mansion, so it was a huge villa, so he got like 15 rooms and 3 stairs. So I mean, it will be like $3,000, $4,000 job easily. So this is the potential you have got at Facebook. All you have to be good at sales. So for like few customers are saying, okay, I'm just available in evening, don't call me before evening, so you have to call them in evening. If they say I'm just available in like 9 to 12, you have to call them at that time, and they're gonna probably answer. They're most likely to answer at that time, and 99% they're gonna answer. So this is the secret strategy you should do, because if you just run lead ads and just gonna target the homeowners with the stupid ads with like no optimization, no research, and no detailed questions, that's gonna eat your ad spend. Okay, you have to make sure that whatever leads you are getting in, whatever the customers you are getting in, they should be the most high quality customers. So make sure you get best leads out there. Or if you want someone to do that type of thing for your carpet cleaning company, we are here. We'll love to help you out. What you do is just go and visit F16 Media website. You can find it here. If you wanna know more about us, if you just wanna be contact, okay, just wanna contact us, click the button below. Here will be in the description, like Calendly link. There will be a link for a book of one-on-one free call. Click on that, book a meeting with us, and we can show you that how we can scale your carpet cleaning business by 50% or by 100% even. Okay, so or if you're looking for more information, come on our website. The link is there in description, f16media.agency. Come on, how can F16 Media help? Click on carpet cleaning business, and you will see a introduction video here. Here's a description how we can help. Click on get me started, and we can get you started. Okay, that's how it goes. So yeah, so if you are looking for crazy leads and appointments for your carpet cleaning business in the next 30 days, feel free to contact us anytime. Click the button below of the book a free call, pick any time, book a call with us, come on our website. You can simply WhatsApp us here, you can simply send a message here. Okay, like just do start chat. Okay guys, continue as guest and put your number, whatever number you have, WhatsApp number, message number, whatever you have. Okay, so whatever number you have, it's like this a bug right now, so whatever number you have, whatever details you have, just put in here and we would love to help you out. So if you are looking for crazy lead and appointments, don't hesitate to contact us on WhatsApp, on email, or just click the button below of a call, and we can show you that how we can scale your carpet cleaning business to the moon and take off your carpet cleaning business like F16. Hoping to see you in the call really soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.